Dear students, today we are going to discuss about problem number 5. See, in that problem number 5, these are the given things. First one is plane, it's a triangle. Then after that side is given, which is 25 mm. Then after that the problem is resting on HP problem. Then as it is resting on corner, it is mentioned there, so it's a resting on corner problem. And angle with respect to HP is not given. This is not given, but something else is given. Side opposite to the corner is 15 mm above HP. They have given it. 15 mm above HP means 15 mm above XY line. We have to consider that. Then after that, angle with respect to VP is given. Angle with respect to VP is 30 degree, and that also is given. Side opposite to the corner is having 30 degree with respect to vertical plane. Now initially what we have to draw? First we have to draw a triangle which is resting on HP. That's why it should be in HP only. Then as it is resting on corner, the leftmost part of the diagram should be a corner only, or only one point should be there, not 2 points, only 1 point should be there. So for that, what we are going to do, first we are going to initially draw a line which is having 25 mm line. Once it is done, then we are going to take B and C as center. Those two things we are going to take as centers, and after that we are going to draw two arcs so that they intersect with each other, and the intersection point we are going to get will be point A. And as it is top view, we are going to make it thick line. It should be having 0.5 mm 0.5 mm thickness, so we are going to make it little bit thick. Then once we draw projection lines, thin projection line from point A and point C, then we are going to get the front view of that triangle, and that triangle front view will be a straight line, and A dash is a visible corner, then B dash is visible corner, and also C dash is invisible corner because it is overlapped by point B. C is overlapped by point B, that's why C dash is invisible corner. That's why we are keeping it in brackets. Then comes third diagram. Here we don't know angle with respect to HP, but something else is given which is 15 mm above HP. What is having 15 mm above HP? Resting corner is point A, and side opposite to resting corner is BC. That BC is having 15 mm above HP. In this front view, if A dash is kept on XY line, then B dash C dash is at a distance of 15 mm above XY line. We should measure this dimension of A dash to B dash and take this as radius of arc, which is RAB. Now we are going to measure this RAB, which is nothing but radius of arc, which we are going to create. And after that, taking this point as our center A dash, then RAB is taken and we are going to draw one arc. Radius of that arc is nothing but RAB. So when it intersects with this 15 mm line, there we are going to get point B dash and C dash. Then we are going to join this A dash with respect to B dash, and as it is front view, we are going to make it again a little bit thick. Then measure the angle with respect to XY line and A dash and B dash. This will be giving us angle with respect to HP. Once it is done, we are going to draw thin diagonal projection lines from A dash and B dash and C dash, and also from ABC we are going to draw rightward projection lines. Here we are going to get point A, then after that point B, then point C, then join them. And as it is top view, this also should be made thick. Now in the fifth diagram, the angle with respect to AP is given, which is nothing but 30 degree, and we should draw a 30 degree line first. Then once it is done, then we are going to place this fourth diagram over this 30 degree line, which should be placed. What is having 30 degree inclination? The side opposite to the resting corner is point A, side opposite to the resting corner is BC line, that is having 30 degree inclination. So first initially we are going to draw BC line. Once it is done, which is equivalent to this BC dimension, then after that measure this C to A dimension and B to A dimension, then take B as center, draw one arc which is measuring RAB, then RAC is also similar, so taking C as center, draw another arc of same dimension, then we are going to get point A. Once it is done, then you know the method to get sixth diagram. Draw vertical upward projection line and draw horizontal rightward projection line. You are going to get sixth diagram.